guys, it's me, your girl Chef Mackenzie. We are back with my favorite crayfish soup. It's my special. I'm doing it my way, not your mom's way. So you can go ahead, watch a video, keep watching if you like. You could try it out my way. Okay? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Love you guys. First, you want to go ahead and rinse these off with some fresh water first. They can be very smelly at times, and you just need to rinse them off properly. Alright, so you just want to wash them until you see the water gets clear. And go ahead and add some vinegar. There's one running away from me. Just add some vinegar to your water. Alright, so after you wash off the vinegar, you just want to go ahead and take those off. So I'm gonna season the pot first. So while they're waiting, you just want to go ahead and add some ice. Keep them on ice. Okay. The best way to prolong the life of crayfish is to keep them cool, moist, and give them some fresh air. They can be kept up to several days alive under cooling condition. But never place them in like a closed container, because then they will suffocate quickly and die. This theory can be used for crab and lobster also. Crayfish doesn't take a long time, very long to cook. It cooks very fast, like shrimp, maybe 2 to 3 minutes. So you just want to go ahead first, season your water, and get that boiling before you add the crayfish to it. But I'll walk you through the steps. Let's go. Okay, so now I want the pumpkins to cook right out. So I'm going to start adding them from early, because that's what's going to give the soup that rich color. Alright, so now that my pumpkins start to crush, because they cook easily, I'm gonna go ahead and add my yam. They are diced very small, so they won't take long to cook. Just go ahead and mix that in. Now I'm gonna add my corn. A little advice: when you're buying crayfish, choose the ones that are alive. You pick them out yourself, or allowed to tell the person that's selling you them the ones that you want, because sometimes they're far dead and you don't know that until you're actually eating it and you taste this soft, mushy. It doesn't taste good. So when you're buying crayfish, please ensure that you buy the ones that are alive. After adding Grace cock soup, normally I use the fish one, but I don't have it, so we're just using what we have. So for the dumpling lovers, I didn't get a chance to put the dumpling in the soup. I apologize. But you can go right ahead and add whatever you want into this soup. Everything goes perfectly with it. And guys, please keep in mind that you can improvise and do it how you want it. This could be a crayfish stew, it could be sauteed crayfish in garlic butter sauce. You can improvise and do it how you want it to do. I chose to do a spicy pumpkin crayfish soup. So this is just my way. If you like it, you could go ahead and try it. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm looking forward to the comments to see if you guys like it and you guys would like to try the recipe. Thank you guys so much for watching again. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and remember, I always love you guys. Bye.